Time Machine is the built-in backup feature on your Mac. It automatically saves a copy of apps, music, photos and documents that you've added to your Mac and performs hourly, daily and weekly backups of your files so you can recover them easily at any time. We'll show you how to set up Time Machine and store your backups on an external storage device and how to manually start a backup. Before you start, you'll need an external storage device for your Time Machine backups, which can require a lot of space. We recommend a storage device that you only use for your backups and to use a storage device with at least twice the storage capacity of your Mac. Let's start by setting up Time Machine on your Mac. Make sure your external storage device is connected to your Mac. Now, click the Apple menu in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Then click System Settings. Scroll down and click Time Machine. You may need to click General first, depending on your version of macOS. Next, click Add Backup Disk. Then select the disk you want to use for your backup and click Setup Disk. If you choose to encrypt your backups, which is on by default, just enter a password for the backup disk and re-enter it to confirm. Enter a hint that will help you recall your password if you forget it. You won't be able to access your backups without it. Click Done when you're ready. Now your Mac will prepare your external storage device and your backup will begin shortly after. Depending on how many files you have, the first time may take a while, but you can continue using your Mac throughout this process. You can click the Options button if you want to customize additional Time Machine preferences. Once it's complete, you'll get a notification. Now Time Machine will continue to run automatically as long as your Mac is connected to your external storage device and plugged into power. When it becomes full, Time Machine will delete the oldest backups to make space for new ones. After you've set up Time Machine, you can start a backup manually at any time. To do this, click the Time Machine icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen and click Backup Now. You can open the Time Machine menu at any time to check the status of an in-progress backup, or click Stop this backup or Skip this backup to stop an in-progress backup. And that's how to back up your Mac regularly with Time Machine. To find out more about how to use your Mac, subscribe to this channel or click another video to keep watching. Some sequences in this video were shortened.